Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to find a solution about your Roblox quite unexpectedly. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues of Roblox quite unexpectedly, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here you will click for stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to airplane. You will click. Then you can wait a moment. Then you can turn on you can turn off your airplane again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.